just a way to say that you love the person or what have you, and you know, it could be just for you and a couple.
Right.
So what we're gonna do is see, I'm gonna put that here. Maybe you can open that up and you can try that on, and we can put it on camera so you can see how it looks.
Nope.
So we're gonna do that there. And again, you can get either the Blue River Now collection, or you can get the MOLIAE collection. You can get that. So that's one of that. And then if you do a couple, you'll get 2 of these, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put one on right quick, and then we're gonna demonstrate next. You can put that over there. We're gonna demonstrate next the milk oil, okay? But for right now, we're gonna look at this here. Just to kind of give you a look of how this looks. That's the goodies. All right, so we're gonna put this on right quick. Thank you. Now it's one size fits all. Let's look at that.
Oh, it certainly fits.
Yes, look at that. Look in the camera. See that? Isn't that nice? Don't that fit you? We look good. So it's one size fits all.
Get you grown and sexy on.
Right. Now you do get one of these. So this is the camel milk. All right. Now this here is the regular Royal Eternity. So both of them has camel milk, except this comes out milk. So if the cameraman come in a little bit closer here and kind of look into here, how that looks. Let's see. So you can see how it looks. You see that?
And this is the one with the actual camel milk.
Yeah. Now both of them has camel milk. This one right here, how we made it, is more of the infusion of the milk is going to come out more compared to where I have a lot of oils in this one.
Okay.
It's going to get oils in this one too, but you see that it's going to come out like a milk. I just want to make sure that's in the camera. That's how that's going to look. And this right here is going to be more as an oil. So this right here is the regular Royal Eternity. This is going to be the Royal Eternity 2. Okay. So this right here. And of course I got to open it up, but nonetheless, you open it up, there you go, boo. And then this is gonna come out like an oil. You see that?
Oh, okay, yeah.
But the camel milk is infused with it. So basically, both of these is basically what type of experience that you want. And you want to be like the kings and queens before, then get this one, okay? This is it. And this one can be kings and queens too, because you have a different experience. You'll feel the oils and different on this, but it comes out in the oil. They both have camel milk, except this how it's infused. You want to see more of that milk consistency. All right, so that's done. Now we're going to talk about. Look at this. You get this in the MOLIAE gift box. Isn't that wonderful?
That is a
Yes.
box.
Yes. Now let's look at these boxes over here. Get these boxes over here. We can look at that right quick. Thank you so much. We're in this new space here. So these are the gift boxes that you can get. This would be for the pink, Queen Palace.
That's female.
Yes.
Definitely.
This right here is part of our serum. So that's the MOLIAE for the queen there.
It's for the brothers.
Brothers, king and me.
No.
Right.
Exactly.
Right. So that's for that. Isn't that nice?
And then the colored ones are universal.
Well, yeah, like the gold and the this one here. You're right. It's going to be universal, so they could be for a king or a queen. Okay.
Right.
And then this right here, how it looks inside. I always do the boxes inside looking like this. We have that blue Nile type color. Okay. And every other boxes, then the product goes right in there. All right. So let's go ahead and move over here. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you. Okay. So